Hi students, we're going to learn a really fun card game today called 7 Up. So to get ready for this game, you're going to need a deck of cards. You can use any deck of cards, that'll work. I recommend using ace through 10. If you want to challenge yourself and make your target number higher than 10, you are more than welcome to. You will take turns with a partner, finding all the ways you can make your target number. So for example, if we want to make 10, 9 and 1 would make 10, or 10 by itself would make 10, or I could do a combination of 3 or more cards to make 10. My goal is to grab as many cards as I can. When I can't go any further, if you look at step 3, now it's my partner's turn, but we have to make sure that there are 7 cards face up for them to choose from. At the very end of the game, when we're all out of cards, we count how many cards we have and see who the winner is. Let me show you what I mean. So I'm going to lay my 7 cards face up. And I'm going to take a look and see what cards would make 10. Now, I know 6 and 4 make 10, so I'm going to take those. I'm going to look at what I have left, and I know 8 and 2 will also make 10. So those are mine. Then I look to see what I have left. And there's nothing else I can do to make 10. And so now it's my partner's turn. So we deal out a few more cards. And see if they can make 10. Now you might see something that your partner doesn't. You can be nice and tell them, or grab those cards when it's your turn. Taking a look, I see a 7, a 1, and a 2 will make 10. Well then, or my partner could say that, and they could take those cards, and those are theirs to keep. And look for other ways to make 10, and then if they don't see any other ways, then it's back to me. And we keep going back and forth, and at the very, very end, we'll take the cards that we gathered and count them up to see who wins. So again, this game is a fun card game called 7 Up, and you can use this with any target number. I use 10 as an example, but you could use a higher number if you want to challenge yourself, or a lower number if you need to work on some of those other ways to make 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, have a great time doing some fun math card games.